Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can edit and change the brightness of a picture on the Samsung Galaxy S21 series. Now first, let's go back to the home screen by tapping on the home key at the bottom of the screen. Then swipe up to go into the app screen and tap on Gallery. In the Gallery app, open up an album that you would like to use, and then open up an image that you would like to apply the changes. Now tap on the edit button at the bottom, and then tap on this button here in the middle, the tone button. In here, tap on the brightness button at the top, and then from here you can change the brightness of a picture. Now I'm going to revert this picture back to the original, and from here, by simply dragging on this bar, if you drag it all the way to the right, it will make the image brighter. To decrease the brightness, you can drag it to the left to make an image darker. And that's it. And finally, you can tap on the save button at the top to save your changes. And then tap on the home button to go back to your home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.